Western Precision has been established for 50 years, now third generation in the family, and I'm looking for the next 50 years to keep the legacy running with the business. So we're a high volume turn parts production factory. We don't tend to run a machine for short periods. We'll set a machine and run it for weeks on end. We'll pick up pieces, probably volumes of 10,000 minimums. That's the sort of scale we're looking at. Whilst we have the automotive accreditation, we are not solely automotive. We deal a lot of braking systems for the off-highway market. We deal with a lot of hydraulic fittings. We deal with some instrumentation devices as well. We're quite proud that we've been able to invest quite heavily recently. We've not only invested in the production machines on the shop floor, we've also invested in the inspection room and the metrology equipment. We've got some of the latest tech in there, making sure that we can check stuff efficiently as well as accurately, because that's really important to us to be able to get this product through the line really fast. We first batch inspect every component, we random batch inspect throughout, we final batch inspect all the product. It keeps our PPM really low, which is the strap line, which is something we're really proud of. It's something we work really hard to make sure that when the customer does receive the product, they've got absolute confidence that it is going to be correct. In support of the 14001 environmental standard, we have also invested quite heavily in various technology, one thing being the WoGuard coolant saver and oil savers. Every single machine at Western Precision now has a WoGuard coolant saver or oil saver fitted to it. We've seen the savings, the benefits for it. There are benefits environmentally, there are financial benefits, there are time benefits. The scrap bins now are tipped straight into the main receiver, as opposed to being drained of the oils, which is costly in time and labour, which we now no longer have to deal with. So we're all about high volume parts, high accuracy parts delivered on time, giving our customers 100% confidence that we can deliver exactly what they require.